Welcome back Varshi versus Siri. Today I am going to explain about simple interest introductions. These type of problems are asked in railways, banks, etc. Okay, let's see how it solved. Here Ramu Sita are the best friends. One day Sita wanted to start business but she have shortage of money. In that situations Sita borrowed 1000 rupees from Ramu. Okay. 1000 rupees. Rate of interest 10%. How many years? 3 years. Okay, here 1000 is the principal, 10% is the rate of interest, 3 the years. Okay, let's see Sita how much amount will pay after 3 years. Two types of methods. So first one is tradition method, second one is formula method. Okay. First we will see tradition method. Already we know formula about tradition method, that is A equal to P plus I. A equal to amount. P equal to principal. I is the interest. Now go for formula method. I equal to PTR by 100. Formula for amount. A equal to P into 1 plus TR by 100. Here I is the interest, P is the principal, T is the time durations, R is the rate of interest. Now go for amount. Here A is the amount, P is the principal, T is the time duration, R is the rate of interest. Like this. Okay. Now we will see Sita how much amount will pay after 3 years. Okay. By using these two problems, tradition method, formula method. First see tradition method. For first year interest. For first year, principal is 1000 into 10%. Here, yearly 10%. This can be written as 1000 into 10% means 10 by 100. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0. So, remaining is 100. Now go for second year. For second year, 1000 into 10%. This can be written as 1000 into 10 by 100 equal to 100. For third year, 1000 into 10%, 1000 into 10 by 100. So, third year interest is 100. Here 300 for 3 years interest. Totally interest is 300. Already we know formula about amount. A equal to P plus I. Now substitute interest and principal in this. A equal to principal how much? 1000 plus interest 300. Totally 1300. Sita will pay 1300 rupees to Ramu after 3 years. Okay. Now go for formula method. Here already we know formula about simple interest. I equal to PTR by 100. P is the principal, T is the time duration, R is the rate of interest, I is the interest. Okay. Substitute values. What is the principal? 1000. Time duration 3 years. Rate of interest 10% divided by 100. 0 to 0 cancel, 0 to 0 cancel. Here 100 3 are how much? 300. So amount formula is A equal to P plus I. What is the principal? 1000 plus interest how much? 300. Totally amount is 1300. Here 1300, here 1300. Tradition method, formula method, answer is same. You have to follow any method, but which method is taken less time. Okay. Thank you friends.